law because we're not teaching the law. We're under grace because we're really teaching grace.
Okay.
But they're under the law just because they're teaching it. They're teaching. That's the only reason.
Okay.
Yeah, because they don't need to be under the law because, like you say, they can't sin. They're going to obey. They're going to do what God wants them to do. So it's not really for them. It's for the Gentiles who are under the law. That's the reason. Yeah.
They're going to speak in tongues too. It's going to be amazing.
Yeah, and they're going to have gifts. Yeah.
Yep, they're going to have all these things, and the Gentiles are going to be like, hey, speak in my language. How does he know?
Yeah, in Zechariah chapter 8, verse 23, talks about how when they find a Jew, it says 10 men of the nations will take hold of the skirt of him that is a Jew, and says, we will go with you, for God is with you. But they recognize they're different. They recognize they can't sin, we can sin. They see that difference.
Right.
It's like, ooh, there's that perfect Jew. I want to go with him. Yeah. So they could be that example to the nations.
You can look at Ezekiel 36, 21 through 38. You don't have to read the whole thing tonight, but in there, it's a good synopsis of what Eric's been talking about. Because I had trouble with that too. Why would they be under law? Well, the Mosaic law is still over the earth. And now, as he says in Ezekiel 36, they will be able to keep it 100% in front of the unbelieving Gentiles, and they will read that. You get a chance, you'll see that.
What verse, Jerry?
36, 21 through 38.
Ezekiel 36, verses 21 through 38.
27 says, and I will put my spirit within you and cause you to walk in my statutes, and you shall keep my judgment and do them. And that's where Eric went to 1 John 3:9 in there. And you shall, it goes on, and it's a real big explanation on what, when Eric and I first started hearing that Israel under law, it tricked me. It didn't make any sense. And little by little, I understand it's a display. Israel was set up to display to the unbelieving Gentiles the whole time they were created, to be a display of the Most High God, to show people the Most High God does work. You believe in Him, He will bring you through. And so this is where they start doing that.
Okay.
Yeah, you can think of a teacher in a classroom. The kids have rules, and the teacher normally wouldn't have to follow those same rules, but they're going to do it anyway to be an example to the kids. Because how are you going to keep the kids from chewing gum if you're chewing gum up there in front of the class? So it's sort of that idea, is that they're under the law just to be an example to those Gentiles. Yeah.
Thank you. That was great. Between you three guys, that was good explanation.
All right, good. Yeah. All right, well, we got through, what, 5? Yeah, we got through 5 of them, so we'll continue on this next week then.
Thank you.
In the new year. Have a good night, everybody. See you on Sunday.
Good night.
Not there. Not brothers, sisters.